Hello, my friends, and all respected persons. You have seen my channel, you subscribed me, and because of that, I am very thankful all of you. Like this, you subscribe that J1 Academy English Speaking Course channel. Today I have brought one another topic is there, and that topic is God is there or not. Actually, it is a big topic. We are little for telling something on this topic. But then also, I want to say, actually, God is there or not, this is a different topic. First means that day when we are up to the 35 years. So up to the 35 years, mostly people think that God is not there. But when they cross their 35 years, that time they noticed, actually God is there. Because whole world, who is operating this? There are lot of mystery, and that mystery world, who is operating this? Actually, you take the example, our human body, that is also one mystery is there. So many scientists, so many doctors try to solve this, but it is not possible for them. Further thing I want to say that, just now you take the example, before the 22 years, before the 25 years, who create mother and father for the little child, who is thinking about the food of that little child, and after 22 years, 25 years, God sending to little child. So how is thinking about this world? In this world, crores of people are there, but everybody is earning something. Everybody has some art, and because of that art, they earn some money. So like this, if you watch, then Vivekananda Swami, one time he had gone to one person house, and that person told, actually I don't believe on the God. So Vivekananda told that, you don't have the God, dad, your dad died, so you bring their photo. He had brought that photo. So he told that, Vivekananda told that, you don't believe on statue, you don't believe on any idol. So you spit on this photo of your father. Spit means thunk. So he told that, no, sorry, he is my father photo. So Vivekananda told that, actually he is your father photo, that's way there also one statue of the God. And we pray for it, we worship for it, only for we should get the confidence, we should get the moral support. And this way, as per my view, God is there in this world, who is operating this whole world. Now you have listened me carefully, so I am very thankful all of you. You subscribe my J1 Academy channel and increase the like also. Thank you, you have listened to me.